What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are looking at Bed Bath & Beyond this morning, taking a quick look here, share some of my thoughts, and wrap this video up. Welcome to the channel, guys. Appreciate all of these subs. If you are into market TA, crypto TA, stocks, futures, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for all notifications. So yesterday we were stopped out of our Bed Bath & Beyond position. We were long from roughly the 188, 189 level. So that was we probably took about a 13% loss on that position. Tried to get some lower targets and having a tough time here for this stock. So don't really know where the bottom will be. Definitely don't want to hold a falling knife. Wouldn't be surprised if we skyrocket from here since I just closed my position. But if we see some strength come back in, I think we will probably reestablish. But right now, things looking ugly. And judging by what the stock market is doing, and how our futures positions are getting stopped out, there could be some more trouble ahead, or at least some crazy volatility, sideways action. So we'll have to reestablish a position in this if we see some strength come back in. But right now, the volatility is pretty wild, and we're not finding a bottom as soon as I thought we would here for Bed Bath & Beyond. So we're just going to step aside for a bit and see if this thing can stabilize. Something of concern is we could be close. It's tough to say, putting in a higher low here. I mean, the low so far on the 6th of January was down there at $1.27. So kind of anywhere in between that and where we're currently trading could be a higher low. And that could set up for a big move back to the upside. But we just don't know where that'll come in on a percentage-wise. That's quite a bit further down. I mean, yeah, another, you can call it 20% lower we could go, be still, and that would still be a higher low. So I'm just not willing to take that much more of a risk for this stock. So like I said, we are flat, Bed Bath & Beyond again. On the earnings side, we do have earnings. It looks like, according to TradingView, earnings. Let's see, the earnings date would be the 12th of April. So that is a ways away. That is further than a whole month. The market could be in a whole different state by that point. But I still do think this thing is a bargain. But like I said, I just don't know where the bottom will be. Wouldn't be surprised if the bottom was yesterday when we had our position closed. I still do have my upper targets here. Will they ever be hit? Well, time will tell that one, but they are important, and I still keep them on my charts. Up there in the 7s, the 9s, 35 and 44, so way up there. And don't think this stock cannot move. This stock can move huge, relatively quick. I mean, this thing went from, call it $4 up to the 30s, guys. And it went from basically $1.27 up to $6. So there is very high potential to catch some of these moves. Back in 2020 or 2021, I should say. 2020, we went from $3 up to $50. I still do have conviction that this thing is close to some kind of a bottom. At least for the short term, we should be ready for a big bounce here. I'm just not willing to take the risk right now. If I see some strength come back in the market, I will probably try to hop back in, but it's just a little too volatile right now. And then keeping in the back of my mind the risk that's going on in the stock market with the futures positions and the indexes, stepping aside and not being long at the moment definitely doesn't help a stock like this. So like I said, we were long from $1.88, $1.89, basically a 12, 13, 14% risk we took on that trade, which is way higher than we normally do. But you got to allow these low price stocks to fluctuate, and they sure do, especially if the stock market is going to sell off. So let me know your thoughts on Bed Bath & Beyond down in the comments. I know I had a comment, someone was saying TA doesn't matter on these low priced penny stocks. You know, there's probably something correct about that, but I still do think when markets get oversold, that kind of carries across the board, whether it's a high priced or a low priced stock. Like I said, we just don't know where the bottom will be. Still have our targets on the board though. 7s, 9s up there in the 30s. We have one up there at 44. I was trying to get some lower targets, and I didn't have too much luck. I assume you could throw on the RSI and see where we are, like an RSI 2, and see where we are from the oversold point, but I have not done that. So let me know your thoughts on Bed Bath & Beyond down in the comments. Just sharing mine for what it's worth. Let me know some other stocks that are similar that you guys like to keep an eye on, or maybe you buy and sell. Let me know, and I will check them out as well. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. We just posted a video about creating a simple stock market risk model. Very easy. Anybody can do it within Google Sheets. Check that out. I will actually leave a link up here in the right-hand side. If you want to check that video out, create a nice little risk model so you know what your risk is before you head into a trade. You guys have a great Wednesday the 22nd. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here, and have a great day.